Welcome to Vulco, your one-stop shop for state-of-the-art tires and maintenance services. Brought to you by Goodyear, one of the leading premium tire manufacturers in the world. Vulco first opened its doors in West Africa in 2009. And today, there are 13 outlets spanning across West Africa, staffed with over 50 experts operating the latest machinery to ensure ultimate customer satisfaction. Also, our maintenance services and consultations are made at the highest professional level with the latest technology. So you, in turn, can not only feel safe in your car, but also get the best value and services for every penny you spend. At Vulco, we don't just sell you tires, we greet you, partner with you, and ensure we give you everything your car needs to keep you and your family safe on the roads. And through our loyalty program, you can even benefit from special discounts and promotions. This is the Vulco promise: professional services that ensure safety at an affordable price. The moment you walk through our doors, our experts will help you get a new set of tires, change your car battery, choose from a wide range of accessories, get your tires fitted, your wheels aligned, or even balanced. You can also get your tires repaired, your headlamps aligned, and even get a full tire consultation. All from the comfort of our customer lounge, where you can sit back, relax, and watch your car being fully serviced. Vulco. We make your roads safer.